Every year, a local hospital welcomes back its tiniest patients for a reunion. They're not so tiny anymore. These NICU graduates and their family come back every year to see the people who took care of them during a pretty stressful time. Fox 4's Crystal Martinez shares one parent's story who was at their reunion today. Crystal?
The reunion takes place at KU Hospital, and for one parent, she's no stranger to the NICU department, but this was her first time coming back for a happier reason.
It's a different kind of homecoming.
I feel like the relationships that you form as a patient or a patient's parent in the NICU are just a lot deeper.
New and old families reunite with KU Hospital's nurses and doctors who cared for their little ones while in the NICU, where babies who were either born early, have health problems, or a difficult birth go to get around-the-clock care.
It would be hard to completely walk away from those relationships.
Though it's Christina Perman's first time attending the event, James is her third NICU baby.
When we found out we were pregnant with him, the whole pregnancy we just would love to stay out of the NICU. Don't want to juggle it with kids and stuff.
She was told he'd be coming at 34 weeks. At times, all she wanted was to take him home, but his heart health would prevent that from happening.
He was asymptomatic. There was nothing that was seeing it other than the monitor, and so it was really hard for me of like, well, do we really have to be here for this?
She had people to rely on, nurses and doctors, which is why she took this time to say thank you and let James meet the people who allowed him to go home healthy.
I love my job so much and I love these babies so much that I don't feel the need all the time to be thanked for what I do because it doesn't necessarily feel like work.
For some patients, it's an annual tradition.
And I've followed some of those babies born so small and now doing so excellent. And they are already into their teen years.
As around-the-clock care turns into a few hours a year, coming together for a day to say thank you.
And 450 people attended that reunion. That's 450 lives impacted by these doctors and nurses. Kevin.
How awesome. Thank you, Crystal. Crystal Martinez live in KCK tonight.